Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I have another pocket knife to show you. This is an Imperial Prov, Rhode Island. This one is from 1956 through 88 era. It's got a pin blade with the patent number there. Got your clip point blade with a long nail nick. Got the shield there. Mother of pearl, faux mother of pearl scales, equal end jack. Still got a pretty good snap. Small knife, easy to throw in your pocket. Lightweight, I think this is probably less than an ounce. Let's see here. Uh, 1.1 ounce, okay. And then we'll go ahead and measure it. So it's about 2 3/4. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.